My name is Akshat Tiwari and I belong to Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. I completed my graduation from Jagran College of Arts, Science and Commerce and I am currently pursuing my PGPM program from IBS Gurgaon. IBS Gurgaon is known for its industry-oriented curriculum focusing on skill development through workshops, simulations and guest lectures by industry leaders. The collaborative environment encourages teamwork and creativity, preparing us to adapt the real-world business challenges. The supportive faculty, diverse student community and opportunities for networking make it an excellent place to build a strong foundation for a successful career.
My name is Arya Tripathi and I come from Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. I completed my graduation from Mahatma Gandhi Kashi Vidyapeeth University and I am currently pursuing my PGPM program at IBS Gurgaon. IBS Gurgaon is distinguished for its dynamic learning environment, emphasizing research-driven insights, leadership development programs, and real-time business simulation. The institution nurtures critical thinking and fosters a culture of academic excellence. With a diverse student community and personalized mentorship, it creates ample opportunities for self-discovery and professional growth. The focus on holistic development ensures we are well prepared to navigate the challenges of a competitive business world.
My name is Shivi Upaddhaya and I am from Varanasi. I graduated from Mahatma Gandhi Kashi Vidyapeeth and now pursuing my PGPM at IBS Gurgaon, a college known for its practical way of teaching. IBS Gurgaon uses case-based learning which helps us understand and solve real-life problems, along with many co-curricular activities that support our overall growth. The friendly campus, job-focused courses and chances to connect with peers and professionals make it a great place to get ready for a successful career.